Learning English with fun.
Welcome you all in your English learning channel. Today we will learn use of prepositions in sentences. The in, on, under are called prepositions. These prepositions show the position of one thing in relation to another. In use it when something is inside the space or container. For example, the toys are inside the box. On use it when something is on the top of the surface. For example, the books are on the table.
Under. Use it when something is below or beneath something else. For example, the shoes are under the table.
The shoes are under the table.
Let's learn it with some more examples. You also repeat after me. The books are in the bag.
The books are in the bag.
The cat is hiding under the sofa.
The cat is hiding under the sofa.
He put the money in his pocket.
He put the money in his pocket.
The jar's on the shelf.
The jar is on the shelf.
The ball is under the chair.
The ball is under the chair.
The pencils are in the box.
Pencils are in the box.
The clock is on the wall.
The clock is on the wall.
The rabbit is hiding under the bush.
The rabbit is hiding under the bush.
There is water in the glass.
There is water in the glass.
The apple is on the counter.
The apple is on the counter.
The cat is sitting on the table and the dog is sleeping under the table.
The cat is sitting on the table and the dog is sleeping under the table.
The two white boxes are under the shelf.
The two white boxes are under the shelf.
There is milk in the fridge.
There is milk in the fridge.
The cat is sitting on the sofa.
The cat is sitting on the sofa.
The bag is under the desk.
The bag is under the desk. Learning English with fun.